Okay, so I put 50 cents in the machine to get some chips. And look what happened. You see that? They are stuck in the machine. So, I saw this sign on here that says if you're caught vandalizing the machine, you could get in trouble. So, what I'm going to do is go get CJ. CJ, can you come help me?
What do you want?
I need your help. Please? Come on. My chips got stuck in the vending machine. You see? They stuck.
What do you want me to do? Break the glass?
I want you to get them out. Can you get them out? Can you shake it?
It's
I know.
Say I could get put in jail.
I know. That's why I'm videoing it, so I can call 2-3 tips when they come out.
2-3 tips.
Hey, thank you, my hero.